In this video, we're taking a deep dive into Ad Creative AI, a tool designed to transform how you create ads. If you've ever struggled with coming up with visuals, targeting the right audience, or simply want a more efficient way to handle ad creation, this tool is made for you. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of what it offers, where it excels, and whether it's the right fit for your advertising needs. Ad Creative AI is an AI-powered platform built to simplify the ad creation process from start to finish. Instead of spending hours designing ads or guessing what your audience wants, the AI studies past campaign data, identifies patterns, and generates ad concepts that resonate with your target audience. Think of it as having a creative assistant that learns from what works and uses that information to shape better future ads. One standout advantage is the ability to generate multiple variations of ads quickly. This is incredibly helpful for A/B testing because you can instantly test different visuals, headlines, and formats without wasting time. The AI provides options that help you figure out what performs best so you can focus more on strategy and scaling your campaigns. The platform comes with automated ad design, meaning you don't need design skills or complicated software. It creates high quality, visually appealing ads tailored to your brand's needs. Built-in analytics show exactly how your ads are performing, helping you make smart, data-driven decisions. You'll know which ads are working, which need adjusting, and how to improve your overall campaigns. If you're running ads across multiple channels, the platform supports social media, search, display networks, and more, all from one place. Even beginners can navigate it easily thanks to a simple interface and helpful tutorials. The real-time A/B testing feature also makes optimization effortless because the AI quickly identifies the best performing variations. Some major benefits include saving time, reducing costs, and maintaining brand consistency. You no longer need separate tools for design, analytics, and testing. Everything is combined into one platform, making it a cost-effective option. It also ensures that all your ads match your brand's style and tone, helping build trust with your audience. Of course, no tool is perfect. One downside is that AI-generated ads may lack a bit of human creativity or emotional depth. While the platform allows customization, some users may still prefer adding their personal touch. There's also a small learning curve when exploring all its features, but with a little practice, it becomes easy to use. Finally, the subscription cost may not suit extremely tight budgets, but the potential return on investment can outweigh the expense if you're serious about improving your ad performance. Overall, Ad Creative AI delivers a smooth experience whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer. Support is responsive, the workflow is straightforward, and many users find it significantly improves how they create and manage ads. The combination of automation, data insights, and scalability makes the entire process faster and more effective. To sum it up, Ad Creative AI helps you create ads that are not only visually strong but also strategically impactful. It streamlines production, enhances results through data, and frees up your time to focus on what matters most: growing your campaigns. If you want to level up your digital advertising, this tool is definitely worth trying.